Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome to another video. Today is 21st of April 2021, and here we are to give you some updates in the economic calendar that what's happening within today, that were the major important events that will be impacting in the forex market. I'll actually talk about one of the major important events, which is going to be about consumer price index and the Bank of Canada Consumer Price Index score year on year, and then Consumer Price Index report that is going to be published by Bank of Canada, followed by the Monetary Policy Report. Right, I've got some data that I've actually gathered on the Canadian economy. If you could see that the central bank meeting that's going to be held tonight, it's going to talk about the retail sales, core retail, which is all into the bullish zone. Net change in employment is bullish too. Unemployment rate has been bullish as well, followed by CPI year on year, which has been in bearish zone, and then building permits, housing starts has been a bit of mixed data. But if you could see that in the overall structure here, which is given right in this meeting report, we see that Canadian economy is looking positive. Right, there have been tremendous pickup in the employment, retail sales, and consumer spending, which briefly says that Canadian economy will be doing better. So looking ahead on the price action analysis, let me just share with you that looking at on the USD and Canadian pay overall, ever since Jan 26, 2021, Canadian dollar, even earlier than that, Canadian dollar has been strengthening. If you could see that overall it is a downtrend, and now followed by the latest price action on intraday basis, we could see that the pair has reached to the verified resistance zone, which indicates that it is going to come back down to the downside and will be a nice sell-off at the back of the news. Alright, you could see that there's a possible likelihood of about 50 to 60 pips major drop tonight, or could be more when the news will be released. Alright, so that's an update for the USD Canadian, followed by the news that is going to be released. Well, of course, beside that, we also, if we have a look on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which came under pressure, fall off from 3,421 level back to 3,376. All right. Well, of course, when I see that on the current structure, it is giving us a sell signal. Well, that sell signal could be when it's going out of this channel up, right? And it gives us an indication that it could be a downward trend. But then again, the next level that I'm going to share with you right now shortly, it says that the price remains right above the trend line of this bullish pattern. Look at that, from 1, 2, and 3. Here you are, right? So now we're in a little bit of conservative setting. I think this is going to take a bit of time for a minor retracement, and then the rally to the upside will continue. I could see that it is giving us a major reversal signal. If it's continue from here, it will be continuous direction to the upside, right? So now looking ahead on crypto, which actually had a major sell-off, and then we're gonna see this is giving us a bearish pattern, and then not anytime soon we're gonna look for a buy opportunity, because cryptocurrencies are in the midst of making a very major correction. But definitely any further updates, we're gonna keep you posted and highlight to you during our London session forecast. All right, so other than that, we also came across for example, if we just let's just pick up on let's just say on S&P 500, which is more or less giving us the same structure, which is followed by Dow Jones Industrial Average, because most of the stocks are under pressure. Right, but then again, this could be a possible I would say that correction that we will be expecting, like we noticed on Netflix recently. What we saw on Netflix was, let me just pick up the chart right now here, and then give you Netflix actually tanked about 9% at the back of the earnings report. Right, so the earnings report missed Wall Street expectations, right? And then it did not do very well in the second quarter, in the first quarter, at the end of the first quarter, all right? And then it it's gonna be tanked about I would say that about 9% when the market opens tonight, right? This happened right after the trading hours, right? And now the price will be falling back to somewhere around the price about $500 per share, right? From here all the way down, and if you calculate 9% from the current existing share value, this is going to be somewhere around let me just calculate. It's gonna be somewhere around nearly what $500 plus minus around that zone. But then again, guys, if this is going to fall back, definitely is falling back. This will be also a new um, buying opportunity from here. You can see that from this current pattern, right? Somewhere around $500 per share. But then again, this pattern is kind of a bullish flag, falling back to this trend line, and then this will be your new buying opportunity, right? So for those who are in, I would recommend you to hold on to this because this will continue to the upside. But of course, again, this sell off, which will be happening tonight when the market opens, will be a new buying opportunity for you to make the most over the longer term from Netflix. Remember, Netflix is a steady stock, and it's gonna be doing well over time, right? But as for now, it's gonna drop tonight about 9%, which is I would say that it's gonna tank about 9%, right? Then will pick up later over time, which will be definitely a buying opportunity. So, anyway, guys, thank you very much for being here. I'm gonna sign off for now. See you guys later for more upcoming videos. Take care and have a great profitable week. Bye bye.